In today's video, I will walk you through how to find the area of an irregular shape in AutoCAD using the hatch command. To begin, go to the Home tab in AutoCAD. Next, locate the Draw section and select the Hatch tool. Alternatively, you can type Hatch into the command line and press Enter. With the Hatch tool selected, apply it to the irregular shape you want to measure. Click inside the boundaries of the shape to create the hatch pattern. Make sure the shape is fully enclosed so that AutoCAD can correctly fill the area. Once the hatch has been applied, click directly on the hatch to select it. After selecting the hatch, the properties will appear, usually in the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. Scroll through the properties until you find the value labeled Area. The value shown next to Area represents the calculated area of the irregular shape. If the area measurement doesn't appear to be correct, check the boundaries of your shape and make sure all the lines are properly connected to form a closed shape. And that's how to find the area of an irregular shape in AutoCAD using the hatch command. Thank you for watching the video.